Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening your phone's quick panel or settings and finding flight mode. Tap it to cut cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth radios. Do this now to avoid signal interruptions. Once done, you stop calls and data immediately while preserving local apps. Make sure to save drafts or pause uploads before toggling, because active transfers will pause. That first step gives you a completely offline baseline, and it sets the stage for controlled reactivation of specific radios afterward. Once flight mode is on, you can selectively re-enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to use onboard services. Tap Wi-Fi, choose the aircraft network, and authenticate if required. You do this because flight mode blocks cellular, but permits approved local connections, which keeps you airplane compliant and connected to in-flight entertainment. Make sure to limit app permissions to local networks only, and enable Do Not Disturb so notifications don't chime. This avoids distracting others and conserves battery while you use permitted features. To finish, confirm the cell bars are gone and that only the icons you allowed, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, are visible. This verifies flight mode is active but selective radios are back. If a toggle won't switch, reboot the phone. That often resets radio modules and clears temporary software locks. If networks still do not appear, make sure airline policy permits onboard Wi-Fi, and then ask crew for assistance. This troubleshooting tip saves time and prevents accidental rule violations while.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.